Hi everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Tam Predicts. I'm in a different room now and I'm doing a different kind of a prediction. Today I'm going to do money predictions for all the zodiac signs. And I'm going to start with Aquarius. Let me see what is the money prediction for all the zodiac signs. Yesterday I did a general reading for everybody. There was no particular zodiac sign and I uploaded that. So today it is for all the zodiac signs. So I'm going to start with Aquarius. Aquarius is Jan 20th to Feb 18th. I'm checking the dates side by side. I always have my uh, mobile next to my laptop. So Mac is working a bit. I hope it doesn't heat up again. So guys, that's the sad story, but can't do anything. So Aquarius. This is for Aquarius. This is the money situation, money prediction for Aquarius in the coming week or the weeks. I would say 1 or 2 weeks. I get within 40 days. Some good news within 40 days, guys, for Aquarians. The glass will be full. So be optimistic. That's what I get. That's a channel message. I also get in 3 months, your money situation is going to be fine, Aquarius. Don't worry about it. I don't know why I felt in some project money will overflow. So I like it when the readings are very positive. I feel positive and it's nice to read. So I also find number 6 is important for you. This is for Aquarius. Let me see any other messages for your money situation. Yes, I also get number 6 is important for you. I took it from the other deck, and I don't know if you can see it. This is number 6. So number 6 is important for you. Money will come flowing. That's what I get, and that's a good news because right now, like I said, situation is not so good, and everybody is waiting for something good. Good news. Situation will be good. Aquarius, that is nice for you. I get nice cards. You are the magician. You've got everything under you. Everything is planned. You just have to move things once the situation settles down. And I think that you've already planned what all to do. So Aquarian, you getting good cards. Yes, just focus. Don't lose focus. If you focus well on your project, money will overflow. I get a big number 6 for you. Either the person you're dealing with is number 6, or you are number 6, or something will happen in 6 months. Like I said, also I think I said 30 days or something when I started the reading. Please refer back to when I started for Aquarius. Something good is coming for you guys. So your money situation you'll be fine. So there will be no stopping. It will be a good flow of money coming in, though also money coming out. But that, as long as money coming in is fine, money going out is not a situation or not problematic. So now I'm going to move on to Pisces. This is the money prediction for Pisces. Let me see what it is for you. And now the chair is making a sound. Nothing is going well in COVID. Some problem or the other. That's why the changing room. Yes, kind of attachment to some kind of an idea you have to some kind of a project which you couldn't roll out. But I think you'll roll that project out in May. You are really wanting to roll that project out, or that idea is so close to your heart, and you did everything for 3-4 months or more than that, and now you want things to happen. In the fifth month, things should happen. I get after March, after not March, though March becomes a challenge message. After May 28th for Pisces, it's going to be a better time after May 28th. So guys, I know, yes, we all need patience right now, but as long as things are going to turn out positive, it is good. Number 6 is also important for you. This is for Pisces. Number 6 was important for Aquarius also. Pisces, number 6 is important for you. I also get the channel message, go with the flow. So whatever is going on, whatever is fine, whatever project you're doing, whatever you're pursuing, it's fine right now. Vulnerable situation for you right now. Don't think much about the money situation. I get a very vulnerable situation. Don't invest wisely. I don't mean don't invest wisely, but don't take a risk. Pisces, maybe that's the channel message for you. Please don't take a risk. Now is not the time to take a risk. Suddenly, somebody, a friend says, just invest in this money in this project. It will be good. It will get good results. Guys, I would warn you. I would forewarn you not to do that. Please don't put your money there. Just wait. Even if you want to put your money in some project, like your friend is requesting, anybody who's requesting you, wait for a month. I get wait for a month. That's a channel message for you. Wherever you made the investments, also don't take out the investments from there and put it into a different project, is also what I get. So stay grounded, or let the investments be wherever you invested. It is fine right now. Don't move it for a month or two. That is the channel message for you guys. So Aquarius done, Pisces done. I am moving on to Aries. These are small predictions, mini predictions. So whatever I get for your money situation, numbers, names, dates, like I always give. Leaving a project behind you've been pursuing that project for 2 years, or you've been in that job for 2 years. Now you want to change that job. You want to move to better waters, calmer waters, and you want an increase in your money. Some of the Aries will feel like that. That's what I feel. Uh, Let me see what is the other channel message. Aries, yeah, you're going to walk away from some kind of a project or something that you were cherishing for 2 years, something that you did hold. Uh, 3 is important for you. Balance the situation out, whatever money situation. Don't put your eggs in one basket. I don't know why I get that for Aries. If there are two projects, equally divide the money. Like, don't put it in one basket. Don't put all your money in just one project or in one idea, or any situation that you're dealing with. Or if you're procuring something, materials for your business or anything like that, don't just put all your money in doing that. Keep aside some for the rainy day or whatever. I get keep aside one, Aries. Don't risk it. For you also, I would say that don't risk it. Wait for 9 months. Even if you have to risk your money or take a risk, wait for 9 months. Ninth month is September, I think. Wait till September comes. Don't put your money in a business you know is risky, and I think you know it. Which business is risky for you, or whatever investment is risky. So just wait for the right time to come, and this is not the right time, guys. Don't do it. Yeah, I'm sounding serious because it's a financial matter, and yeah, the situation is like that, and the predictions are also pretty have to be very serious because it's about money. So perspective should be right, guys. Don't look for the smaller things. Look at the bigger picture. Somebody is asking you make small investments in a lot of things. Also, please don't do that, like funds or whatever risky business. It is better to put in something that is bigger. Not all your funds together, but yeah, invest in something that is bigger and has a name. I don't know why I am saying it. It has some kind of a name, some kind of a brand name, a holding. It's a good company. If you want to put in your money, put in your money there. And yeah, because the person who's making you put your money, I don't know why this whole Aries reading is becoming that, will also suddenly get out of the situation, and you'll be alone in the situation, and you'll be left alone, and it will be all your risk. Even though the person is saying that nothing will happen, this is my guarantee. I don't know why I get the words my guarantee, but the person, whoever is giving you guarantee, will get out of the situation. You are the one who's going to bear the losses. So guys, just be very careful in this situation, Aries, especially for you. So I'm going to move on to Taurus. Taurus is April 20th to May 20th. Sorry, I didn't give the dates for the other sun signs, the zodiac signs. Please find out. And right now, moving on to Taurus. So Taurus is April 20th to May 20th. Message for Taurus. Let me see what is your financial money situation, or the condition, or what are your finances for this week. I get after 17th, whatever will happen after 17th May, 17th June, 17th July. I get a very big 17 number for you. I also get 8 number for you. Also, don't be very greedy. Don't take up too many things right now. I don't know why I feel that you're going to take up so many things, you're going to get exhausted, and none of them will be, you cannot finish any one of them. So don't take up too many projects, and just don't be greedy with projects, and don't buy too much of one thing is also what I get. I got this for Aries also. So Taurus, the same for you. Don't invest everything in one project. And also don't get too greedy that I'm going to put all my 10 whatever amount 10x in this, and probably I will double it, triple it. It's not going to happen. Be very vigilant and be very careful, guys. Somebody is going to offer you money with the name starts with P. Just assess the situation. Don't sign any contract without reading in between the lines, reading conditions apply, reading the fine line, the fine print, or whatever, and chuck it and see, chuck it. Chuck it is a very channel message, okay? I wanted to say check it. So chuck it if you think anything is wrong. Do not go with it. Sometimes my slip of tongues happen because the message wants to come like that. I might be saying something, very softly, but if the channel message from the spirit guides is chuck it, don't believe in that project, don't believe in it, guys. Especially if somebody is offering you something whose name begins with P. I really get that message, and if a chuck it message came, it means, guys, don't believe in that person and don't take that project on. This is for Taurians. Yeah, Taurian 6 number is important for you. In 6 days, some news should come to you about that project. I don't know why. On the 6th day of some month, or on the 6th number date or something that could add up to 6, the project could come up to you. Let me see what is your money situation and any other message. Anything you take on the 10th is a good date for you, will prove victorious. Anything you take on the in the 10th month will prove victorious to you. So try doing things in 10th month is October. Try doing things in October, Taurians. That's a better month for you. Not these months. Not these months. They are not too good for you. Vulnerable situation. Just be careful not to show vulnerability to anybody right now. People will. Take full advantage of that. Don't show that you've got less of money or you've got more of money, you've got money lying, you want to invest. Guys, don't do that. Somebody is going to ask money from you. You're going to be in a very vulnerable position. They know you want to double your money, triple your money, and that's been on your mind, and they are going to take advantage of that situation. This is for Taurians especially. Yes, Taurian, something new is going to come up. Some new project is going to come up, is going to transform something that you were dealing with, will also multiply again. If there's a one branch, it's going to be 2-3 branches, or whatever project or whatever you're dealing with actually will branch out. You will try to branch out. I also get that number of people you recruit will be more now. And this is after I get September 8th. That's a very exact date I got a September 8th. So whatever you do after September 8th, I feel that you're going to recruit more people to finish your project, or you'll keep more employees. So Gemini, let's see what's your money condition. May 21st to June 20th. May 21st to June 20th. I'm a Gemini, let me see. Money's just going out, nothing's coming in. That doesn't sit in the reading. Sometimes I don't feel like taking the card, doesn't sit in the reading. Some kind of an indecision. You'll be torn between two things. What to do? Should I go there? Should I start this? Or should I join this? Should I go here? I get very big two things. You're going to be torn between two good decisions. Either should I take up that job? It's got good position, but money is not good. Either should I take up this job? Money is extremely good, probably. Or money is fine. Some position is good. Some kind of a indecision will happen where both the offers will be fantastic, and you'll have difficulty choosing it. And I get a number 9 for you, a big number 9. So it could be the number of your office, could be as 9 number of employees there, something, or it will come in the 9th month, or something to do with 9th. And 9th is going to be good for you, Gemini, number 9. Yes, have your strategy in place. 3 months, that thing is going to come to you, the job or that project. 2 things are going to come to you in 3 months, and very soon in 3 months. You're going to get confused with 2 things, and you don't know which way to go, and they'll be very alluring. Both of them will be very alluring. You will know where to go. Yes, 6 months you will get good money. You'll be holding money. You'll be holding a good position in whatever company. Also feel if you're going to do business, 6 months is very good for you. June beginning, it will start rolling for you. It will be a fantastic time. So whatever you were doing, just keep doing that. Or if you're going to start something new, money is going to come in. 6 months is very important for you. I also get 13 July is very important for you. That's the date I also get for you. 13 July is very important for you. I also get a lot of possibilities will open. So probably it's not just 2 possibilities, more than 2 possibilities. Also open the windows in your house. Let the fresh air come in. I don't know why I feel some of you are feeling suffocated or not getting enough fresh air if I'm dealing with a Gemini. Though this is a finance reading, but yeah, a money situation. But I wanted to say that. I'm going to change my deck. I don't know why sometimes, it's so channeled that I skip, subconsciously just using one deck and, not realizing that I have to switch between decks. Yes, after October. October is a good month also. After October, you'll be settled, you'll be happy with your family. If you have kids, whatever, money will be right, happiness will be there, there'll be stability. So also, if you want to move house, I think in the 10th month, you will be moving to a bigger house. If not bigger, if the area is fine, I feel that you'll get 1 extra bedroom. I don't know why I get like a nice storeroom which will serve as a bedroom. That's a very exact message that I got. Number 1 is very important for you. In 1 year, you'll do everything provided that you put in the hard work. Things only move when we put in the hard work. We can pray for guidance. We can ask for guidance, and but God will also move when you only move. That's when He'll get the prayers. He'll make the prayers come to you, but you have to do something. New beginnings are for you, like Gemini. Something new is happening. Something new will be coming. Maybe a new source of income. New source of income is opening up. I also feel 10th month, maybe a new source of income opening up. I also get an August for you. Somebody who is a Leo might offer you something. I also get a new source of income, which is very big. Yeah, it's coming again and again. And something to do with children. Maybe you would open up something that's like a school or a creche, or you'll be teaching kids, something to do with kids, some kind of a creativity, and something like that will come. That's what I feel, Geminis. And so now I'm going to move on to Cancer. Let's see how is Cancer's situation, money situation. How are Cancers holding up? Cancerians. How are Cancerians holding up? July 21st to July 22nd. July 21st to July 22nd. Yes, I shuffle fast. And in that moment, it becomes too fast. Your partner is going to earn well. Cancerians. Your partner is going to earn well, will give you good news. Your partner is going to do good business. I also feel that you two are partners. If you're married to each other, or your boyfriend and girlfriend, or whatever the situation, that person is your best friend, and will be in partnership. You'll be in partnership with that person, and things will be really good. From fifth, sixth month onwards, things will really work out for you guys. That's really nice, and it'll be a very caring connection, and it will be a very good partnership where you both will understand each other very well, and you'll be each other's strength. Let me see what is the other. I want to change my deck. I don't know why for Cancer. I want to change my deck. Let me see. You've been feeling frustrated for the past 8 months. The financial situation wasn't good, Cancer, and sorry, I'm feeling very hot. And the financial situation wasn't very good, and you felt all tied up. Though you wanted to do something, but probably you couldn't make your own decisions. You had to listen to your boss. You were like, I want to be my own boss, and you didn't want to listen to anybody. And I think since 8 months you've been feeling like that, but right now you want to make cash will come in, and that will be your cash, and you'll be making money. It will be your own business. Also, feel some of you have started your own business. If I'm talking to a Cancerian, I think you have started your own business. And if you're in A, if your name begins with an A, there'll be a lot of helping hand from the other person, your business partner, whoever you're working with, your co-workers, or whoever is working with you in the same position. There'll be a helping hand. You'll feel very secure, and there'll be a lot of stability, and you will work very well. You both will work very well. Just keep your egos in check. I don't know why I got that channel message. Just keep your egos in check, guys. And if you keep your egos in check, you're going to work beautifully. That's what I got. And don't look back too much, Cancerians, that, this happened and I lost this and I lost this. I didn't do well in my job or my business. I want to learn from my past mistakes. I think, yeah, learn from your past mistakes, but also move on is what I get. Yeah, I also get in 3 months you should be rolling. Your business will do good. Sorry, guys, I think I'll sit in the other room next time. I also feel very hot and I'm been turning red. And it is hot right now. It's hot months right now here. So, Cancerians, let me see. One more message I want to give you guys. You will make money. 9 month is also good for you. You've been really wanting to make money for 9 months. 9th month is also good for you. 9 is important for you. Just be careful if you're dealing with any person outside your business. Just be careful with the dealing. Some guy who owes you money or whatever, that you need to take out your money from that person. Probably it's a deal and the person promised you some money and the money hasn't come. I think you need to take that money out. Yeah, and somebody is also envious of you, envious of your project. I don't know what you're doing, but somebody is envious of your project. So, Cancer, that was your reading, and it is very hot. Not the reading, the room. And next I'm going to switch on the AC. So now I moved on to Leo. Leo is July 23rd to August 22nd. I'm checking the date, guys, like I normally do. The mobile phone is next to me, and I'm just checking the dates. Sorry, I keep doing that, but yeah, that's a habit. Leo, July 23rd to August 22nd. Let me see what are the messages for you. Some kind of celebration is coming, Leo, which is nice. Yay, something to celebrate. I get a 7 months. 7 months, after 7 months. After 7 months from now. Whatever you want to celebrate, the money situation after 7 months. Yeah, I know it's going to take time, but I also think COVID situation will take time to settle down. And for you especially, I don't know why I get 7 months after 7 months. And be strong. Don't worry, things will happen. Don't lose your strength. I also got strength. Some kind of purification is needed, some kind of filtering out the information for your business or your job or something. Things are not really right now right, and you're feeling a little negative about it. So I would say take out the negative thoughts, just focus on the positive. Things will turn out to be better for you. So right now, don't think what's wrong in my job, my business, my project, whatever you're doing. Just think what's right, what's coming right, and things will be right soon. You don't have to worry about it. Let me see what are the other messages for Leo. What are the messages for Leo? What are the messages for Leo? Leo, number 8 is important for you. You're going to balance things out. You're going to balance your money. I also got something that you do. You have to deal with fire or water. One of the things. I don't know why I get something that you do in your factory. You have to deal with fire or water. Some kind of crystals you make. I don't know why I get like a glass thing. You deal with something like that. Or maybe it's very hot also in your factory. Why do I get that? Strange channel message. I don't know. Yeah, because I'm getting it again and again. Again and again. 8 number is extremely important for you guys, Leo. I'm getting a big 8. Eighth month, or maybe 8th month is extremely important for you, Leo, whatever you're going to do. Sorry for the slip of tongues, they always become channel messages. That's how I take them. Right now, if there's inaction from your side, you're not really feeling, I should be doing this. That's something I'm thinking for Leos, some kind of a negativity, like I'm drawing a circle. It's kind of a loopy situation, or probably you're going round in circles with the plan and you don't know your way out. I don't know why I feel that. You want to do some action, and whenever you start making a strategy or plan or something financial situation, you get stuck there and you just keep going in a loop. And you're like, how will I ever get out of this loop, Probably it's a very catch-22 situation. I don't know, it's a very channel message, but it's a very catch-22 situation for you guys. Why is that? Leo, it's the same card again and again, guys. Heal yourself. Something needs healing, your business, your job. Make things right with people you're dealing with. Something's not right. Communication is not happening. So a lot of channel messages for Leo. Make your strategy. Imagine I said the word strategy and strategy came out. You've been doing this for 3 days, 3 months. You don't know the way out. You don't know how to deal with the situation because it's becoming a catch-22 situation. If you put money here, you lose money here. If you put money here, you lose money here. Something, that needs to be balanced. Maybe that's why the balance card also came out. So I'm going to move on to Virgo. Virgo, let's see what is in store for you when it comes to finances. It's August 23rd to September 22nd. Sorry, I have to look away. Virgo, let's see what's your reading. This is your financial situation coming week or in 2 weeks. Let me see what it is. I'm going to start for Virgo. Virgo, what is your money condition? What is your money situation? You're going to bloom like a flower. Whatever you start is going to do very well. I get 3 months, 3 days. I get a number 6 for you. I'm going to add that up. Whatever you're going to do, wherever, in whatever situation, you're going to bloom. No matter how small the project is, no matter how big the project is, no matter how small an office is where you start, maybe it's in your home, Probably the situation is messy also, that's a channel message. Probably everything is looking messy right now. But I don't know, whatever you will do will bloom. That's what I get. Whatever you will do will there'll be abundance. You'll have all the elements. You'll have water, you'll have finances right, you'll have people right, you'll get the right people for your business or your job or whatever, employees, everything will fall in place. Your business will bloom. So that's a fantastic message for Virgo. Virgo, that's nice. Don't worry about anything. As long as you put in your hard work, your commitment and your dedication, and your focus is right and your vision is right, then nobody can stop you. The only person who can stop all this is yourself. And I think you are ready for action. So be positive, Virgo. Yes, Virgo. I remember I said the word focus and focus came. Don't put this is reversed. So probably you're not really focusing well. You have everything. Focus well and you will bloom. See, the card came. So focus well and everything will happen for you. No matter what situation you are in. Even if you're in a messy situation, you will come out shining. That's the message for you. Virgo, those are nice cards. Let's see what's the other message for Virgo. Yes, Virgo, I get 40 days. From 40 days from now, something will happen. 40 days from now. Even if the situation is messy, you're going to walk away from it. After 27th. I don't know why I get a 27th. After 27th, you're going to walk away from it. You'll say, it doesn't matter. Even if the situation looks like this, it looks very difficult to break even. It looks very difficult to even roll out the plan, to even put it into action, to even do whatever. But it will happen. That's what I get. Yes. Be careful of stomach infections. Though it's a money prediction, but if extra messages do come to me, so just be careful of your stomach problems. That's what I get. Yes, money, you'll get money. You'll be happy, you'll be contented with the money you get. That's a big message, guys. Yellow is very important for you guys. Virgo, yellow is a good color for you. Wear yellow. Yellow is a good color for you, Virgo. Your hard work will pay off. Just put in the hard work. Your hard work will pay off. That's what I get. So I'm going to move on to Libra. Let me pick up the cards. Libra, you are September 23rd to October 22nd. So this is for Libra. Libra, let me see what is your money situation, Libra. What is your money situation? Let's see. What is Libra's money situation? What is Libra's money situation? Libra attachment to an idea, an old idea needs to go, an old job needs to go. You will get financial stability only if you find yourself a new job. And I really feel Librans, one of you, because I don't know who's watching, and this will resonate with one, with many, with 10, with 100, I don't know. But yes, I feel you're going to, chuck your old job. This is the word I use for another, as a channel message, and I'm using it now. You're going to go in for something new. And I don't know, like before the COVID situation, you'd already given up on the job, and you were already looking for something new. Or maybe that new job is going to come to you very soon, and you're going to hear from them. I don't know why I get that, and you'll get an email soon, a week's time. Librans, you're going to get something new. Any other message? Any other message? Financially, you weren't very stable for 9 months, I get. Maybe you weren't very happy in the job, because I got a broken heart and this is a money prediction. So I get you weren't very happy in your last job. It is something to do for 9 months or 9 years you've been in that job, or a company that's on the number, that's on the address adds up to a 9 or something. You weren't happy there. Your heart wasn't there. Yeah, that's the message. That's a channel message. Librans, your heart was not really in that job and you really want something new. Somebody's going to offer you a new job. I told you, though you're not going to be happy again, but it is better than what was what the situation you were in. You see, you've got the cups, and somebody's offering you a job. You're still not very happy. Also get 4 months, maybe 4 months. Also, you're going to decide. So maybe it's just that everything is the same, but you have to change because you're not happy in your current job. Maybe if you're getting an X amount here, maybe in the new job you're getting an X amount, same position, everything, but you're like, God, I can't spend another day in this job. I don't know why am I getting that. So a lot of Librans would be feeling that. Yes, there will be an offer. There'll be a new beginning, guys. You will get you'll get a job offer, you or whatever, because it's coming more like a job. So I'm not going to not going to say a business. So guys, this is a job offer that's coming to you. So that's nice. Congratulations to whoever's getting that job. Yeah, this normally I'm not so serious with any reading. I do it very seriously, but yeah, a bit of sense of humor to lighten things up. Yes, this card. You're going to bloom anywhere. Abundance. This card's come for you. Abundance is going to happen. Again, yeah. This is a nice card. So whatever you do, abundance will happen. So just shine. Be careful. Don't leave the last situation, the last job in like a volcano. Don't erupt. Don't burn bridges is what I get. I understand that a lot of you are wanting to get away from the old job. It's not doing any good. It's not serving any purpose. But don't leave it badly. Don't burn bridges. Don't fight with the boss. Yes, don't get into an argument. It's not going to be good for you. I get, especially when you're going to go to a new job, they're going to check from the last employer, the last boss. It's not going to be good for you. Yes, there is a new beginning for you. You are going for a new job, Libra. Whenever the situation is right, guys, I feel Librans are going to go in for a new job, something new. And they're not very happy in their old job. It's like the heart is hurting, and why am I here? Or probably you've been questioned, or you don't feel like putting in your best, or even when you put in your best, it's like people just raise eyebrows and don't appreciate it, and that's what's happening. Yeah, that's your reading, Libra. That's your reading. So I'm going to move on to Scorpio. Let me see what is your money prediction. I'm so happy my laptop is not heating up. Maybe it's the surface I'm keeping it on. Scorpio, Scorpio, Scorpio. Scorpio. Scorpio is October 23rd to November 21st. October 23rd to November 21st. Yes. I hope I'm not getting the date right. What was that? I hope I'm not getting the dates wrong. Scorpio. Sometimes I get funny messages. I'm like, why am I saying that? So maybe I've got the dates wrong, and I'm like, I hope I'm not getting the dates right. The dates are right then. Scorpio, let's see what's your money situation. Yeah, somebody, your partner again. You're working with a partner. Whoever you're working with, I feel that you're in business, and your partner is your wife or your girlfriend or whatever, your best friend, and you're going to do well. Both of you are going to do well. I don't know why I feel that you're also going to join a place where you're going to fall in love with your boss. I really have this feeling for Scorpios. I don't really go out and fall in love, but I have a feeling for Scorpios you're going to fall in love with the person you're going to work with. Yeah, I don't know why your employer or whatever the job or some new person joins in. I don't know why I get it. There's a new person who joins in. And Scorpios are going to fall in love with the person. Yes, Scorpio, another indecision. Indecision to stay in the job or not. A lot of you are getting whether to stay in the job or not. I understand the situation is like that. Again, an indecision. Eight number is important for you, Scorpios. Eight number is important for you. Caring connection again, something to do with a connection, something to do networking. Maybe you need to network. Maybe whoever, you and your wife, or you and your girlfriend, or you and your whatever co-worker, you and your best friend. There's a boy-girl situation where there are two partners, a boy and a girl, a man and a woman. Man and a woman. Again, the indecision card. High indecision about something, whether to go on all out to that for that project or not, or to pitch for that project or not. Or I think you two are making the decision together. Should we take on that project? Should we move on? I don't know why I got that. Should we split also? I don't know why I got that. That should we split? You know, if this partnership is not serving us or doing us any good. I don't know why I got Scorpio. If you're working with somebody who's just, if they're just two partners, there'll be a split. I also get. Yeah, I don't know why. You're assessing the situation. I think you want to run the business yourself. You're a woman watching it. If a woman is watching this, I think you want to run your business by yourself. You don't want to be in partnership with anybody. You're thinking that there is no need. You know, why should I partner with someone and do this when I can handle this on my own? When I can handle this on my own, why should I just be in partnership with someone? That's what I get. I think you guys feel like, you know, splitting the business somehow and not working together. That's your decision. That's your decision totally. I'm just saying what comes. Yeah, you're going to assess the money situation. The man is going to assess the money situation. You're going to assess the money situation. And I don't know why in this reading I'm getting a big thing that, you know, I want to make my more own money. I'm not going to work with someone. And if you've been doing all your hard work, it's going to pay off in the eighth month, guys. Scorpio, this is for you. If you've been doing your hard work, eighth month will be good for you. Whatever the job, promotion, or whatever, money coming in. Also feel one or two Scorpios will be snappy. You don't snap at somebody. I feel one of you or anyone who's listening will snap at the other person. Don't snap, guys. It's not good to snap. That's what I feel. Yes, you are also making a strategy like Libras. There is something to do with three. Maybe you want to get a third partner. I don't know. Maybe you've been thinking for 3 months that how to split this. I think you want to get in a third partner. Maybe two are not enough. And or yeah, probably somebody is going to get you finances, Scorpio. You want to get a third partner, and you said why not let the other person get the finances, and we are going to act like these partners. Or I think all that is going in your head, Scorpio. That is for you. Something is going on in your head. I think right now you're waiting and assessing the situation patiently also, Scorpio. That's what I get. I don't know why I get 2 days for you. 2 days are important. I'm just thinking if there's any other channel message, Scorpio. You're doing some business which also is passed down from your parents, from your father or your grandfather. There's some kind of family business you guys are running. That's be passed on. You're the third generation. I don't know why I get you're the third generation if you're listening to this. Even if you're a woman listening to this, I just feel something that is important to you, you know, will get you money, has been passed on to you. Not just necessarily money, some kind of a name or some kind of a shop, some kind of a restaurant, some kind of a salon, something has been passed on to you. Yeah, there is celebration. There is going to be good news, but I think it will come in time. Some kind of promises made should be kept. So it's about partnerships. Don't let the ego come in, because I'm getting a very big partnership situation here. So if you promise something in a partnership, you two should keep those promises and run that business well. That's what I get. So please keep the partnership alive, because I think there's vulnerability in the situation. People are also taking advantage of the situation you both are in. So just be careful. Just be careful of people around you, you know, telling you what to do, not to do. Make your own decisions, guys. So I'm moving on to Sagittarians, November 22nd to December 21st. Let's see what is your money situation, guys. What is your money situation? Sagittarians. Sagittarians, just be careful of financial constraints. 4th month, April end. Just be careful. 31st April, just be careful. I don't want money coming in, or you suddenly realizing that you spent all your money. You're not realizing that you're actually going to spend all your money. Something like that. You probably thought there was a fund. You created some kind of a fund, and suddenly you realize it's not there, and you'd spend that somewhere else. So guys, I don't want you to get a shocking news, or, you know, suddenly remember, oh my God, I did pay that person, or I did pay back that loan, and that money is not there anymore, and how was I, you know, wondering that I have that money for the rainy days. So don't do that. Sagittarians, just assess your financial situation right now, especially on April 31st. I don't know why I feel a lot of money can go out, just like like sand slips from your hand. Something's going to just go out as a big payment, Sagittarians. Yeah, I don't know why I said water. Something's going to slip out of your hands, though you're holding it very well, but you won't realize, or your dream will break Sunday in front of you. I don't want to give negative messages, but whenever there's a message I want you to be cautious about, or, I want to caution you guys, I will always give that message because it's better to be ready for that, and not just sweet talk and have those sugar coated facts. Yes, happy family, happy situation, stability, peacefulness, 10th month. That's all what you'll get. Financial stability. Right now, rejuvenate. Right now, rest. Also, give a new look. Give a relook at your project or whatever you were going for. I don't know why I get that's a big channel message that whatever project you were starting or whatever you were doing, just give it a look at it with fresh new eyes. Maybe that needs some kind of a revamping. I get rejuvenation from, and I get revamping. Maybe you need to give it a fresher look. You need to change your logo. You've been thinking of changing your logo or your brand or something to do with the name, little tweaking here and there. Probably the font, something you've been thinking, Sagittarians. I think you should do it because you're going to get good luck from it. I don't know why I get that message. Yeah, I get that message, and you've been wanting to do that. Sagittarius, let me see what else can I get for you guys. Some kind of a judgment you'll get in 20 months. Some kind of a legal hassle, if you were thinking, will actually swing in your favor. If there was a legal issue, I think you should win the case, and money will come from there. There will be judgment. It will be a fair judgment. I think some kind of a decision has to be made. I don't know why. It will be in your favor. I don't know what kind of judgment are you going to get. Some legal situation, some legal hassle, but should come in your favor. Yeah. Let me see. Sagittarians. Sagittarian, activate the plan, whatever you're thinking of. Start that plan. Don't get lazy. I get a lot of you are getting lazy, Sagittarians. That plan needs activation right now. You're going to start from tonight whenever you're watching this video. Please start activating that plan. It can't lie dormant. It otherwise it's never going to work. I don't know why I get and what do you need to roll out. If you don't keep working on that project or you don't keep talking about it, it's not going to happen. I don't know why. That's a big message that I'm getting, Sagittarians, for you. Yes, get your facts and figures right on that project. It's going to get submerged if you don't keep thinking about it. Keep it activated. It's going to turn into ice. It's going to melt. Maybe that's a message for you guys. So I'm going to move on to the last sign, Capricorn. Let's see what are the messages for Capricorn. Capricorn is December 22nd to Jan 19. Let's see what are the messages for Capricorn. December 22nd to Jan 19. I saw the anxiety card. Guys, you're anxious about your money. But every sign is 6 months. If you're managing a business, 6 months. And if you're a woman watching this in 6 months, you want to manage a business well, you want to get some money out of it, there will be a break-even situation. Though this was finances in coming week, but sometimes what is coming in weeks also affects our future. Guys, always remember that. A lot of possibilities coming up for you. 6. I get the number 6. I get 3 things will be coming for you. 3 different projects, 3 different ideas, 3 different jobs. Are you going to apply 3 at 3 places? Or news from 3 places. That's a big thing. Number 3 is also important for you. Finances from 3 places. Or you've put finances in 3 different places. Or you put finances in 3 different mutual funds. I don't know why. 3 different kind of investments. There's a big number 3 that's happening in Capricorn. Do you have 3 houses? Or you plan to buy 1 more house? I don't know why I get a lot of bricks or something with this situation, Capricorn, or this zodiac sign. Yes, you've been praying. Number 3 is very important. I told you guys, number 3 situation, there is something with number 3, you guys. Have you been praying hard? Really been praying hard. Number 3 is important for you. Something in 3 days, 3 months. You're dealing with 3 people. You are 3 people. Something is there, guys, Capricorn. That is for you to connect. This is a general reading. Could be different for everybody. Could be 3 days. Something to do with 3 is a big number for you. Money will be offered to you. There'll be some money coming and there'll be a good news. Your wish will be granted from the divine. That's why I think you've been praying. Wanting money, it's going to come. You're going to get a bigger house also. Like I said, you're thinking about a house. I don't know why I think you've been thinking about a house with a garden. That's why I said a lot of bricks. I get a lot of bricks. So you making your own house, something adding on one making the garden larger, something like that, Capricorn. I don't know what you're doing, but you're doing something with the house. One is important for you also. Number three is extremely important. Number one is also important for you. That's what I get. Number one is very important for you, Capricorn. For 4 days you've been resting. Have you been feeling well, Capricorn? I get from 4 days you've been giving yourself a little rest. You've been a little calmer. K is important for you. Somebody from K will enter your life. A little arrogant, just be careful. Demanding respect, arrogant, restless, pretty cold. Just be careful if you're dealing with a person like that. Business job. Just watch your words rather than that person. Capricorn, one more message. Thinking. Capricorn is thinking. Capricorn wants to escape to some place where there's nobody, but right now nobody can do that because everybody's in the house. But you really want to sit in a corner and think about something. I don't know why I get that. I really have that feeling. Two people, Capricorn, two people are doing business. Two are important for you. Do you make instruments? Do you do something with that? I don't know why I get you do wooden. Do you do something wooden instruments? There's a wooden instrument in your house. Were you playing it while I was talking about this? I don't know why I get Capricorn. Capricorn, let me see if I can give you some numbers. I want to give some numbers to Capricorn. Capricorn, blue is important for you. Blue color is important for you. Are you making a house near the water? Were you making a house near the water? A very beach house? Yes. Number 8 is also important. You're going to celebrate. Something is there with 3. Either 3 people are celebrating, or there's a party situation, 3 parties coming together, for some kind of signing a business, and you guys are going to celebrate. Number 7 is also important for you guys. Number 7 is also important, Capricorn. Don't announce if you're starting a new project. Don't announce it to the world or everybody. I don't get a good feeling. Don't announce it to people unless you started it. Don't talk about it at all. Yes, I get you. You are making a house near water. I don't know why I get that. Yeah, if you talk about it, people will be envious. This is the first. Oh my God, my cards are fine. It's research work. If you're in research work, number 11 is important for you. You'll get one more project if you're in research work. That's what I get for Capricorns. So those were the readings for all the zodiac signs. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and do comment. I always read the comments. Yes, this was a serious reading. It was about financial conditions and your finances and money situation coming in, because right now COVID is happening and everybody wants to know what's going to happen. So I've done all the zodiacs. Tomorrow I'll come back here with a new reading. So see you guys. Good night and take care of yourselves, and do listen to the signs, whatever sign you are, whichever sign you were born under, and for anybody else. Thank you so much. Good night, guys. Good night.